Hi friends, today we will learn how to write circular text on PowerPoint. So let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a PowerPoint presentation. Now we want to write circular text in this presentation. Select the text, click and drag on our mouse. Then go to the shape format menu. Then select the text effect drop down menu and go to the transform option. And we can see here many transform or style. Now I select the circle. Then resize the box to make this text circular. Then we can see we make this text circular very easily. I hope you understand this process and enjoying the video very much. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and thanks for watching the video.